Good morning, Kipsters. I hope you are keeping well still. Today you're going to work with some subtraction with me. It's going to be subtraction with 10. And for this again, I'm going to use my plate that has 10 in it.
So here's a closer look at my materials. I have the paper plate with a 10 and then some counters, 10 to be exact. Here, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I definitely have 10 counters. For subtraction today, you're going to see me covering the counters with the plate. Here, I covered all 10. So 10 minus 10, do I have any left? No. So 10 minus 10 is equal to what? Figure it out. So here I'm showing you 2. That means 2 is my answer. 10 minus how many gave you 2? You can start to think about it in your subtraction form. How did I make it? 10 minus how many? Let's count. 10 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 8 gave you 2. Here's my next one. I'm showing you 3. That means 3 is the answer to my subtraction problem. 10 minus how many equals 3? How many are under the plate if I'm showing you 3? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 7. So here it goes. I'm showing you 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 minus how many equals 5? How many are underneath the plate? Count. Count quickly. Here is the next one. I'm showing you 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So start to think about it. 10 minus how many gave you 7? Lift up the plate and find out. 10 minus 3 equals 7 is the last one. 10 minus how many gave you 1? I'm showing you 1 counter. So how many are underneath the plate? Can you count? Can you figure it out? This is the last one. How many are underneath that plate?
Now it's time for answers. Today when we were working, you did not know one part. You did not know the missing part. And you can see it on my equation and on my number bond. You knew the answer, but you did not know the missing part. So today, the first one was 10 minus 10 equals 0. So fill out the 2 missing parts. 10 minus 10 equals 0. Incredible. Next one, number 2. You knew the answer was 2, but you did not know that missing part. So 10 minus how many gave you 2? 10 minus 8 gave you 2. Fill in your 2 missing parts. Incredible. Next one, number 3. Let's move on. You knew the answer was 3 for question 3, but you did not know the missing part. 10 minus how many gave you 3? 10 minus 7. Yes, and fill in your 2 missing parts. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Number 4, 10 minus how many gave you 5? You did not know the missing part, but now you do. 10 minus 5. You got it. Fill in the 2 missing parts. Great job, Kipsters. Now here's the next question, question 5. 10 minus how many gave you 7? Well, 10 minus 3 gave you 7. And don't forget your 2 parts in your number bond. The 10 is made up of a 3 and a 7. And the last question, question 6. I knew my answer was 1. But how many was I hiding from you? It was a 9. And don't forget your 2 parts in your number bond. A 10 is made up of a 9 and a